If you want to set up and share a portable hotspot on your Google Pixel 9a, so first of all, we are to open up our settings. Now open up your network and internet. Now we gotta locate our hotspot and tethering. Now tap on your Wi-Fi hotspot and tap on the switch to use your Wi-Fi hotspot. Now you can swipe down from the top right corner, look at your hotspot icon. It should be somewhere around here. There it is. You can turn it off and turn it back on through your quick settings. So let's get to adjusting our hotspot. You can set up your hotspot name. Right, you can share it by the QR code if you need to with your password. You can set up your security protocol. You can set up your own hotspot password. It has to be at least 8 characters long. Keep that in mind. Great. So you can turn off hotspot automatically when no devices are connected. You can adjust its speed and compatibility. And you can enable your instant hotspot if you want to. And basically that's all for the hotspot. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.